Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add games to your wish list on Steam. So guys, if you're trying to add games to your wish list but you don't know how to do so, this video is for you. So it's really quite easy, so let's get right into it without any delays. Make sure you follow through step by step. So the first step is to open your Steam app and make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I've already logged in, and after that just find the game that you want to add. So let's say I want to add this game, Midweek Deal, which is Transport Fever 2. Just go ahead and tap there, and right under here you can find add to your wish list. Go ahead and tap here and it says that item added to your wish list. So guys, there you go. That's how you add a game to your wish list. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.